video, I am going to discuss about the fringe equation for bright fringe and dark fringe. Okay. Yes, we all know there will be two types of interference. Interference are two types. The first one is coherent interference. And the second one is incoherent interference. And this coherent interference is again divided into constructive destructive. The coherent type of interference is divided into, is again categorized into constructive interference and destructive interference. And the interference is of two types, coherent and incoherent. Okay? So how a constructive interference wave will look like? So for any interference to happen, we need a minimum of two waves. Okay? We need a minimum of two waves. So in case of constructive interference, if two waves, the crest and crest meets, the trough and trough meets, then we are getting a constructive wave where the amplitude is added up. What do you mean by amplitude? The maximum displacement is known as amplitude. Here the amplitude of two waves will get added up. Okay. So what about this destructive interference? Destructive interference is a thing where a crest of one wave meets a trough of the other wave. So if you add these two waves, you will be getting a resultant wave like this. Clear? So what about incoherent wave? How an incoherent wave will look like? Okay? So for incoherent interference to happen, as told, there should be a minimum of two waves. That here a wave like this will be added with a wave like this. Okay? So your resultant wave will not be of the same kind. It will have all those things with amplitude divider and those things. So this is a kind of incoherent wave. In our YDSC Young's double slit experiment, what is the equation for calculating the fringe width beta? Okay. So as discussed in YDSC, our final equation is part difference del x is equal to x d by d. Am I right? So we know del x equal to n lambda. This is the equation for constructive interference. If we compare 1 and 2, I can write x d by d equal to n lambda. So, if I want to calculate x, what can I do? I have to take this to the opposite side. Am I right? D here in denominator side, if it goes to the other side, it will go to numerator side, and this d here in numerator side, it will move to denominator side. So, this is the thing how you can calculate the path difference in case of bright fringes in Young's double slit experiments. Hope you understand. Okay. So for dark fringes, that means indestructive interference, Yes, we know. Then again this equation will be compared with an equation for destructive interference. Okay. The equation is same where x is equal to del x equal to xd by d. So that will be compared with the equation of destructive interference. Can we compare and arrive the final equation? Yes. So, yes, we know x is equal to del x equal to x d by d. Let it be our first equation. And our default equation for finding out the del x in case of destructive interferences, del x equal to n plus 1 by 2 into lambda by 2. Okay. So, if I compare these two things, it will be equal to xd by d equal to n plus 1 by 2 into lambda 2 by 2. So, what will be minus? A will go to the numerator side and the small a will go to the here. Very good. So, n plus 1 by 2 into lambda d by 2d. A small correction in this case, it will be 2 n plus 1 by 2 and this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, the x is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into lambda d by d, where this lambda d by d is the equation for calculating fringe width beta. Okay. Hope you understand. Thank you.